Alright y'all, I'm so excited because today, for one, is day one of Cleanmas. Yay! So, if you're not participating in Cleanmas and you also have like a cleaning organizing channel, go do that. I will leave the announcement at the end of this video if you want to check out what it is, but it's basically vlogmas. So, if you want to do that, all you have to do in your videos is put hashtag Cleanmas and I will add your video to the Cleanmas that's a tongue twister playlist I have. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Kimmy. I make cleaning, lifestyle, organizing type videos on this channel almost daily, especially this month because it is Cleanmas. But if you haven't noticed already, oh yeah, this used to be my office, my Poshmark office, where I would sell clothes on Poshmark. So quite a bit of this is still Poshmark clothing, but today what we're gonna do is go through all of this and transform this room into an actual clothing closet just for myself, which is crazy. So if you need some major closet declutter, organize, and cleaning motivation, this video is for you. Subscribe, leave it a thumbs up, hit the bell if you're new so you don't miss out anytime I post any videos. And yeah, let's go ahead without further ado and jump straight into this, and I will just, as we go, let you know where my mind's at, what I'm thinking of doing, and go from there. So if you're ready to get motivated to clean, just keep watching.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean up the room. So just clean all the trash, get it into a bag, and then I am going to move this table. Instead of it being in the middle of the room, I'm going to put this table where the chair is. That way I can just put the chair in underneath the table. So it will open up the floor, and then we can get into taking everything out of the buckets and start to declutter.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else. Heard you're moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday.
That was a little hard trying to figure out how to get all the cords, you know, underneath the table and not on the side. My biggest issue before was I would trip so many times over those cords, but now this room is way more open, and it's going to be twice as open as soon as we organize all of those clothes. So that is what I'm going to do now. I know the room needs to be vacuumed. That will probably be the last thing I do, just because I'd rather vacuum it all at once and I don't want to have to move buckets over here to vacuum over there, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, we got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna start in the middle first, that way I get the floor cleared off, and then I will move on to like this area. So I really want to open up the room as much as I can first, that way when we do get to smaller parts of the room, it'll be a lot easier to go through.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. Still feels right. Still feels right.
Alright, update. Everything you see in a black bag is for donating. Then I also have my clothes over there in a pile. That basket is hopefully for Plato's Closet. And so is this one. So my idea for Plato's Closet is to take all the fall and winter items as soon as possible, and then hold off on the spring and summer items until it gets closer to that time, because I'm afraid they won't take them if I send them now, and I don't want to overwhelm them. So that's why those are not in bags, because I got to make sure that I keep them separate from the donate pile. I am not worried about getting any money out of this stuff. I know there's a lot of this stuff that is of value, but I feel like it's going to be of more value if it's donated, so that people can get clothes that are good brands that they may not often see in a thrift store. So hopefully it goes to really good homes, and I feel really good about this. So as you can see, all those buckets are empty, and all those are empty, and I can't wait till all of this is gone, because I'm going to use these buckets for seasonal decor and just storing items that are my own personal items that I don't have to see every day. So the next thing we're going to do is I want to get all these bags out of here. I'm going to clear out this spot where the clothing rack is. Clear that spot. And clear this, because I want to get this shelf either I want the shelf right there, or I want the shelf right here, because I'm going to put my clothes on the shelf, and I need also the shelf taken out of the closet so that I can hang up my clothes on the wall.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that.
Alright, so as we stand, this is the closet now. I got all my empty bins right here. All those are empty. There's some boxes from when I was selling stuff. I'm just going to keep those for when I need them. I've got that bin with all my little bags in it, like purses and a dog bed. Then that bin is everything that is going to be tried to donate to Plato's Closet. Then I do have some heavier pieces of clothing in here, but as you can see over there, I still have to hang all that up. So my plan is, because this is a really cheap, I think it was like 20 bucks at Ollie's clothes hanger stand thing, whatchamajig. So all the lighter pieces will go up here so it doesn't cave in on me, and then I'll probably put like pants and shorts and stuff right here. And this is also not very durable as well. And then I have all my really heavy stuff, like a box of paper, or more paper, books, poly mailers, just random things. All my wax warmers and stuff. And I don't even have a wax warmer. I have wax cubes and I don't have a wax warmer. I need to get one. I hung up my mannequins up there. I have a Halloween decor up there and another mannequin. So the big deal now is to get all of these clothes put away and then start working on this area right here. So that box on top is trash, and then that box of hooks is to donate. Also trash, donate. So we are definitely making some headway. I hope this is inspiring.
Here's the thing that I got on my mind: how the world's making people go blind. Solitary
So my floor is a mess and it's like distracting me from being able to hang my clothes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum up the floor, especially like over there by the door. I'm at the window. My goodness me. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up this area. That way I can actually function, because the room still feels really dirty and I think it's because the floor is dirty. So let's do some vacuuming.
Stolen beats, they're on repeat, but come on, don't we all wanna be someone? God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. You're my worst enemy, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. 18 karat stuff just to feel it, pretty diamond rocks 'cause I need it. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. Every month, spending every last dime, feeling like I'm just stuck in rewind. Need a change before I break, so dumb, but I just wanna be someone. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. You're my worst enemy, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. 18 karat stuff just to feel it, pretty diamond rocks 'cause I need it. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. I wanna be someone, wanna be.
Alright y'all, it only took about 4 hours to do, but I'm about to give you a little montage of what it looks like when it's done. Also, I had exactly the correct amount of hangers, except for I do have about 3 loads of laundry that need to be put away, so there's that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and got a lot of motivation and inspiration out of it. That is always my goal with these like cleaning and organizing videos, is that it will inspire you to do the same if you are feeling unmotivated. If you're not, then that's fine too. Anyways, but I'm very happy with this, and it did take a long time to do, but I did not want to leave this room until it was done, because I will put it off for another day if I didn't. So out of breath, and I'm gonna go eat something. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was the first day of Cleanmas. I keep wanting to say vlogmas, but it was the first day, and I hope it was a great one. Leave your comments down below, because in the next video I will be picking 1 or 2 comments to just say out loud. I think that would be a really awesome way to tie y'all into my actual videos, so you're not just watching. So yeah, leave comments. Why don't y'all tell me I look like an egghead with the light on my forehead? Okay, that's great. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. How many times did I say that? Too many. Bye.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from.